What's going on, gents? This is going to be a short video about how to conduct a gear oil change on the Yamaha F70. A couple of things you're going to need, obviously, is our 90 weight hypoid gear oil. This is not Yamalube brand exactly. It's the ProStar. However, it does say for use in Evinrude, Suzuki, Nissan, Mercury, Yamaha, and Johnson Motors. So I trust them. I got a good deal on it. The little item that I purchased for like, I think it was $10 to make short work of this is it's going to be the oil pump adapter, and it specifically has a screw in for the Yamaha. So this is a good product. I would suggest this. It's going to make your life much easier on this oil change. And then I think we're just going to need a flathead screwdriver. So this is the 20-hour maintenance on my Yamaha F70. You guys know I like to spend a lot of time on the water, so for me maintenance is crucial. And so without further ado, let's get into this video. So on the right side of your outboard, on the lower unit, what you're going to find is a set of two different bolts. One's going to be right up here at the top. That's going to be your upper bolt. And then you're going to have a drain bolt, which is going to be right there. Basically, the first step you're going to want to do is to remove the top bolt. That's going to allow for air ventilation to make sure we fully drain the oil case. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver, take out this top breather bolt. It's going to look just like so. Also, a good note for this is we're going to need to make sure that the motor is all the way tilted down. However, at this time, I don't have it all the way tilted down because of the fact that these are kind of tight on there, and I got to be able to get to that bottom nut. So, next step is I'm going to remove the bottom, and we're going to drain the oil. Just use an impact because those were kind of tight. So what we're kind of looking for here is to make sure that it actually looks like oil. We don't want any sort of milkiness. We don't want 30 seconds of water to come out prior to the oil coming out. That would mean that we have a bad seal where the lower unit meets the shaft. So we're going to go ahead and let this drain completely out. Alright, so now that the gear case is completely drained out, I've hooked the adapter up to the oil here. The manual says it takes 0.708 of a quart inside that gear case. However, there's a really simple way of doing this, and I'm going to show you. So, got the adapter hooked up. We're going to start pumping. Alright. So there we are. That might have just been an air bubble. Looks like we're good. Okay. So, we see it coming out of the screw hole there. We're going to go ahead and put our vent screw back in. Get one more little pump just to make sure that we're running out, and we are. So we're going to take this Phillips and we're going to very carefully thread that vent screw back in. And these screws are really easy to strip, and you don't want to strip that off inside of there. So what I'm going to do is take a small wrench that fits to my screwdriver and just get it tight enough to where it's not going to leak. Pretty much a hand tight job here. I'm going to wipe the oil off the case a little bit. Now We got to make sure we're kind of quick on the bottom end here. We're going to unscrew the adapter. I have the drain plug standing by ready. Come out just a little bit. Get it threaded in and started to where it's not leaking. And we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to trim it up a little bit so I can get the screwdriver in there. And I'm going to go again and do the same tightening process. Take my little wrench here. And that should be job well done. So gents, there you have it. That was the gear oil change on the Yamaha F70. That came as part of my 20-hour maintenance. I think anyone could do that. That wasn't something that I needed to pay 200 bucks for a Yamaha certified mechanic to do it. If you know how to turn a wrench, and if you could do an oil change on your car, I think you could do that gear case oil change for sure. Anyhow, like and subscribe please. Gonna be having plenty more fishing videos and some good content coming. Thank you very much.